Hello everybody. See, today I am going to discuss with you digital root part 2, and in my previous video I have done digital root part 1. Now in digital root part 1 I have told you how you have to find out the digital root, and before doing these questions, first you have to see my first video part 1. If you will not see the first video, you will not be able to know what is basically the digital root. So after when you see this part 1 video, after that only you can do these questions. So before doing these questions, please see my part 1. Now see, I am going to tell you today you have to do the sums on addition, subtraction. Then how can you apply the digital root in these sums? Now you see this is the sum of addition. As you can see, this mark is here. Now you know how you have to find out the digital root. 7 plus 2 is 9. Cut this. 9 you can see here, cut this. 5 plus 4 will make it 9. Cut this. So what is left here? What is left here? Only this 1 is left. So write down 1. Now addition mark is here. Write down the addition mark. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. Cut this. 7 plus 2 is 9. Cut this. What is left here? 7. So what is 1 plus 7? That is equals to 8. So your digital root in this question is 8. Now see, I have given you 3 options, and from these 3 you have to find out the correct option. And how will you find out the correct option? Find out the DR. 7 plus 2 will be 9. Cut this. 9 will be here. Cut this. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 is equals to 19. So when you will write down 19 here, in this also you can see this 9 you can cut. So what is the DR here? DR is 1 only. Okay, DR of A part is 1 only. Now you find out DR here. 7 plus 2 9, cut. Now see, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 8 is equals to 26. You got 26, but again double digit. So what you have to do? You have to do the addition. 2 plus 6, which is equals to 8. So here the DR is 8. Okay, now find out the DR of this option also. 9, cut this. 6 plus 3, cut this. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. 14 plus 5 is equals to 19. So I am going to write down 19 here. Okay, 19 I have written here. Again same 9, cut. So what is the DR here? 1. Okay, DR of this option is also 1, and DR of this option is also 1. So but what we have to find out, basically we have to find out the option where we are getting this 8 as a DR. Where you are getting the DR as 8. See, in this option 26. So where you are getting this 26, you find out in these 3 options where you are getting this 26. You are getting this 26 here only in B part. So this is your correct option. Okay, now see, I am going to explain you this question. Here also same, you see where you can cross 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, cross this. 6 plus 3 is 9, cross this. Now this is 7 and this is 1. So 7 plus 1, what will you get here? The DR of this number 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now you find out the DR here. 8 plus 1 9, cancel out. 6 plus 3 9, cancel out. 7 plus 2 9, cancel it out. So 5. 8 plus 5. Now you have to definitely find out the DR. Then when you will add it, you will get 13. Now you know DR of this is 4. Okay, DR is 4 here. Here also see, you have to cancel out 9. 5 plus 4 9, cancel. 9 simple here, cancel. 8 plus 1 is here, cancel. Now 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. Again see, 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. So 13, you got 13, but what you will do with this 13? You will do the addition, so you will get the DR 4 here. In this question, see, now see, 9 cancel out, 4 plus 5, 9, cancel out. 8 plus 1, 9, cancel out. So 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6 is again 13. See, this is a very important question. 7 plus 6 is again you got here 13. Again when you will add this, you will get the DR4 here only. This is a very important question, okay. Now you see 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. Now see 9 here, cancel out. 7 plus 6, again 7 plus 6 is 13. 13. So DR is 4 only. Now see what is the main problem here. In all these options you have got the DR same. So what you will do in such a situation when you will get the DR same in all the options? I have given you 3 options, and now in all these 3 options you got the digital root same. So this is a difficult situation for you. What you will do now here, see, you have to clear with other concepts also. When you are getting the DR same, what you can do, you can apply here the unit digit method. And how it will work, see. Now what is unit digit here? This is 1, this is 5, and this is the addition. Now if you will add 1 plus 5, what will you get as the unit digit of this question? You will get, see, you are not able to see. Again see 1 plus 5, I am explaining here. 1 plus 5, okay. 1 plus 5, what will you get? The unit digit. You will get this 6 as the unit digit. And A option, look at A option. Is, what is the unit digit of this A option? 8. Look at B option. What is the unit digit of this? 6. So we got 6 here. See how we got 6 here. We have done this 1. Unit digit here is 1. Unit digit here is 5. So we have taken 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. So in, listen, see, when you get the same DR in all the options, you have to follow sometimes the unit digit method, and sometimes the unit digit may also be the same. Then you have to find out the sum by double digit method. And basically you have to be clear about unit digit, double digit and DR, all these methods, because you can get different situations, and the same question you may have to solve with different methods, okay. So what you will, you may have to apply digital root in some you may have to apply the unit digit. So you have to be clear about that. So what you will do, see 6 you got the unit digit. So in B option only you can find the DR6 unit digit. See, in this question you are getting unit digit 6, okay. Here you are not getting unit digit 6. This is not 6. Here also you are not getting unit digit 6. You have to search for unit digit 6 now. Why you are searching unit digit 6? Because all the digital roots here, okay. See, all the digital roots option here, you can see all the options are same, okay. When all the options are same, you have to check the unit digit method. So your correct option is this only, okay. This is now your B part. B part is your correct option, okay. Now see what I have written here, negative DR. You can see this is the question of subtraction, and when you are doing the questions, if you will do the subtraction questions, sometimes you may get positive DR. Positive DR, you know in the earlier questions how you have to find out. So you will not face any problem when you will get the positive DR. But this is the special case I have taken with you. What is special here in this question is, here you will find out the DR negative, when your dr is negative, you have to make it positive, and see how you will make a negative dr positive dr. See, now look at this question. Again I am going to find out the dr. Now here 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, so my dr here is 20. Now here you will find out minus 8. Okay, 20 minus 8. Now you find out the dr. This is 2. Okay, 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. Now you see what I am getting here. Minus 6. Now you see I have got the negative dr. Now I have to make it positive. So how will I make this negative dr positive dr? This is minus 6. I have to add 9 here. Okay, see what I have to do here. Add 9. Add 9. Okay, I have to add 9 to this. And how will I add 9? Minus 6 plus 9. Now what is minus 6 plus 9? You can find out. That is equals to 3. Okay, so from negative I made it positive, but to make it positive, what I have done? I have done addition of 9. So my dr is now positive. Here also you find out the dr. What is the dr here in this part? Okay. See, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So here the dr is 8. Okay. Now here you check it out. 6 plus 3, that is equals to 9. B part, your digital root is 9. Now you see, check it here. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. So 12. You got 12, but you will add these two digits. So what will you get? You will get 3 here. So 3 you got with this C option. Okay. With this option 57 you got the dr 3, and here also your dr is 3. Now if you will subtract this 767. Okay, now see, I am doing the subtraction. 7 here and 6 minus 1 is 5 here, so 57. Like this you have to convert your negative dr into a positive dr. Now see, I have done with you the question on addition. I have done with you the question on subtraction. And if in subtraction you are getting negative digital root, that also I have discussed. Now this is the question of multiplication. Now here same. First you have to find out the dr. Cancel this 9. 7 plus 2 will be 9. So here to find out the dr, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 7 is equals to 21. Okay, you got here 21. Now you will write down 21 here, then multiply, because this is the sign of multiplication. Here you see what you have to see there. See, 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now you see what is here, 9. You are getting the digital root here 9. I told you. Now this I have done with you only to find out, see what is the digital root. But basically when you will do this question, how can you do this question? You have first you will find out the dr. Now you see here, look at this question only. This is, what is this? This is, here you have to multiply it with 7263. Now you look here, before doing this question, what you have to do, you have to look here. This is, here also you are getting this 7263, and here also 7263. Now from here you can find out this. When you will find out the digital root, you will get 9. So when you are doing this question, you are not required to check out the DR of this. Just to explain you, I have done this step so that when you will practice it more and more, you will be able to find out. See, here you are getting the digital root 9 na, and in my previous video, see here, before doing this question, if you will see my previous video, in my previous video I had explained you very well कि if you have to multiply any number with 9, this I have told you in my previous video, you will always get the DR 9. Now you see here in this question, you will multiply this with this 9, so the DR will be 9. Now you find out the DR here. Okay. See, first, this is 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now you see, 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So you see, what is this? This is 9. So you got the DR here 9. Okay. In this option also, see, now 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Again you got 9. This is actually something different and difficult also. You just see here what I am going to do. Now you find out, cancel it out. 8 plus 1, cancel it out. Again 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Again 9. Now see, this is something which is different. What is different here? Here also you know you got the digital root 9. Now in all the options you have got the digital root 9. I told you when you are getting the digital root 9, then you have to use the digital unit digit method. Okay. Now in this question, see, this is 3. 3 here, 3 multiplied by 7. If you will take the unit digit here, if you will take the unit digit, this is 7, this is 3. And if you will multiply this 7 into 3, okay, 7 3s are, you know, that is 21. Okay. Now how will you solve this? 7 multiplied 3, which will be equal to 21. So now you know all the digits, digital root is same everywhere. But unit digit method means now you have to check the unit digit of the result. What is the unit digit here? Unit digit is 1. Now which one is the correct option here? To find out the correct option, you have to find out the unit digit. Again, now there is a problem for you in this question. And what is that problem? Digital root is already 9. You check the unit digit. Unit digit also same. You are in a problematic situation. See, this is a big problem for you now. This is 1. And here also you got 1. This is something different. All the digital roots are same. And I told you when the digital roots are same, you check unit digit. Now 1 in the unit digit you should get 1, but unit digit also same in 2 options. So what will you do? You take last 2 digit here. Okay, you have to take these 2 last digits. Now this same question, see how can you do this question? Digital root will not work here. See, digital root, if you are doing this with digital roots, okay, and all the options are same, you find out the unit digit. Okay, and if you are finding out the unit digit, that is also same in this option. What will you do? You will go for the next option, that will be your double digit concept. Okay, double digit. So, and all these, see, unit digit I have done with you. You see my previous video on unit digit, I had done the unit digit concept also. Okay, and now you sometimes you can get a question in which you can find out the all the digits are same at the unit place. And when you will go, listen, when you will go for the competitive exams, what will you find out in the competitive exams? These questions why we are doing, because in the competitive exams you will get the situations, difficult situations, when all the options are the same, unit digit is same, dr is same. Then the third, and you have to practice all these concepts. You should know what is digital root, you should know what is unit digit, you should know what is double digit. Okay, and unit digit I have done earlier also, digital root I am doing right now also. Double digit, you can, what you have to do, 67 into 63. And see, the you will not get very easy questions in your competitive exams. When you will go for competitive exams, you will get difficult situations only. But I had to start my video with the simple questions, so that the simple concepts will be clear to you. Then you will be able to find out the difficult concept. This is a difficult question I have done with you. Now you check this question with your double digit method, and you have to always ready with these three concepts. Digital root should also, you should know digital root also, you should know unit digit also, you should know last two digit also. So before, definitely when you will go for your competitive exams, you will practice a lots of things. It's not only the digital root, it's not only the unit digit. So you do all, you practice all the questions, you practice all the concepts, and in different questions you have to apply different concepts, and definitely you will get most difficult question only in your exams. You will not find anything so simple in your competitive exams. What is the competitive exam then? Okay, so you have to be prepared for all the different situations also. Okay, now you look at this question. I have done with you addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now this is the sum I am doing with you on decimals. Okay, I told you this works on decimal, and this will work on percentage also, that we will do later on. Right now this is the concept left, and this is also very interesting. See, if you will do this question, this is the decimal sum, and decimal sum here also, digital root concept will apply on this question also. Okay, now you see, to find out the dr, definitely 6 plus 3 will be 9, you will cut this. 7 plus 2 will be 9, you will cut with this. Now okay, in this question also 6 plus 3 will be 9, you will cut here. Now 4 plus 5 is 9 here. So what is left here? Here this 7 is left. Okay, 7. Now what you have to do here, see, this is 7 now. 7 you got here, and multiplication mark, you will make the mark of multiplication. Multiply now 7 here, again you got, so you write down 7. Now you see this decimal is here, but decimal will not make any difference. What you have to do in decimal sums, ignore. You have to ignore the decimal. What I have done, I have not taken into account this decimal. Ignore decimal, just consider it like the simple question. So what you have to do, 7 into 7, which is equals to 49, ignore this 9. So dr is 4 here. Okay, dr is 4 here. Now find out the dr here. 6 plus 3 will be 9, ignore that. Now see, 8 plus 1 will be 9, ignore here. 9 will be 9, ignore here. Then this 7 plus 2 will be 9, ignore there. Now what you have to do here is, now 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. Okay, so when you will add this, you will get 1 plus 7. So what will be you get here? You will get 8 here as dr. Okay, here also you find out dr. Now see, 7 plus 2 is 9. Ignore that. 9 is here. Ignore that. 4 plus 5 will be 9. Ignore that. Now you check here. Anywhere you are getting 9. Now see what you will do. This 7 plus 3 will be 10. Now 7 plus 3 will be 10. 20. 20 plus 8, which is equals to 28. You will get here 28. So when you will add this, you will get 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So again this is double digit. Again you will add this 1 plus 0. You know the digital root is 1 here. So what is the digital root here? You got the digital root here 1. Now in this option you see you have to cancel out the 9. Okay? 4 and 5 will be 9. 9 you will cancel out. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Now you have to add this. Okay? When you will add this, what will you get? You will get this 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 10. 20. 20 plus this 2. 22. So what will you get here? You will get 22. But again you know this 22 is double digit when you will add 2 plus 2. Okay, when you will add 2 plus 2, what digital root you will get here? You will get the digital root 4. Now see here what I am going to explain you. See here, what is the digital root here? You got the digital root 4 here, and when you look at the option, where are you getting the digital root 4? In this option. See, you are getting 4 here. So in this option, in option C, you are getting 4. So this is, what is the correct option for this? For this, your C is your correct option. Now you see, this is the question of, percentage. I told you digital root method will work on addition, subtraction, multiplication, decimal. I have done the earlier question on decimal. Now this is the question of percentage. We are going to do digital root on percentage. Now see, decimals. I told you ignore decimals. The same you have to do here. Ignore percentage. Percentage is given in this question, but you simply ignore. Okay, how will you ignore the percentage? Look at this question. Now see, this is 40%. I said ignore percentage. Forget it. What this is 40. What you have to do? 4. Okay. Of means you will write down the sign of multiplication. For what is 40% of 60%? 60. I told you ignore this sign. So what you have to do? Right. Take the dr here. 6 plus 0 is 6. Now of. Of means what is 40% of 60% of 3 upon 5? Okay, so what you have to do here? 3 upon 5, you have to write down the sign of 3 upon 5 of. What you have to do here? See, 2 plus 7 is 9. Ignore that. Okay, 2 plus 7, now 5. Okay, now see, this is 5 multiply 5. You can cut this like this. Now you see, what will you get when you will find out the dr here? See, you have to find out the dr here. So what will you do? 4 6 are 24. 24 into 3. What will you get? 72. Okay. So now when you will find out the dr, you will get 9 here. Now you check here where you are getting 9 here. Okay. Now you see, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So what will you get here? 5. Now you see here, see in this option 3 plus 6 will cut and you see 9 will cut. Okay, so what will you get? I told you when you will get, you can write down here 9 also and 0 also. 0 and 9 is just like the same. Okay, I told you if you will not cut, this, you see what I had written here. What will you get here? I had written 396. I had written this 396. If you will cut only this, so 6 plus 3 also, that will equal to 9. And if you will cut this 6 plus 3, nothing will be left. And in my part 1, I explained you are doing the addition. No, you are adding these digits. If you are doing the addition, cut here 9 and this here you are getting this 9. Now 9 you have to cut here 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So where are you getting this digital root 9? In this B option you are getting this digital root 9. Now all these I have discussed with you, all the cases, addition, subtraction, multiplication, percentage and decimals I have discussed with you. But we have to do the sums on division, and division part is lengthy also, so I will make another part, and that you see for division I will make another video. Thanks for watching.